Hi everyone, welcome to Joe's Learning Hub, a one-stop channel for teacher trainees. In today's session, you will be seeing how to create Google Classroom. Let's get started. Open your Chrome browser, and once you open it, you can see these 9 dots wherein which you can see the Google applications. Click on to these 9 dots and then you can see the classroom application inside these 9 dots. You can click this classroom to create Google Classroom. Now I have archived all my classes in order to show you how to create a classroom. You can go and select classroom and open this page, or you can directly type classroom.google.com and go to the classroom. Once this page is open, you can see on the top right corner a plus symbol which indicates create or join a class. Since you want to create a class for your students, click this plus symbol and you get two options, join class and create class. As I said, you are going to create a classroom. So create class. Since I am doing it for a new class and also I do not have any classrooms in my Google Classroom with this mail ID as of now, I am getting this notice. Just tick this box and click continue. Once it is there, it asks me to create a class and to give a class name to that particular class. So I have chosen the name as demo class. This is the only thing that is required. All these things are all not mandatory. Hence, if you want, you can fill these, or if you do not want, it is not necessary to fill. I have given the name of my class and now I am going to click this create. Once it is created, you can see, yes, now this is my new classroom with the demo class, and you can see the class code here. Now if I want my students to join this class, I can share this class code in my WhatsApp group of students, or I can share this class code through mail and I can ask the students to join the classroom. Now this is the theme of my class. If I wanted to change it, I can go here and I can select my required theme according to the subject of my class. So I'm just going to select this one. Once I select this button gets activated, select class theme. Now my class theme has got changed. Once this is done, you can see a new theme for your particular class. Otherwise, if you have any photos, you can also upload photos of your class from your system by clicking this upload photo. Since you have created the class and you are the teacher of this class, you will have 4 things on the top as stream, classwork, people and grades. For students, this grades will not be seen. Only for the teachers, the grades tab will be visible. Now in this stream, you can post anything that you want. So I just want to announce something like, hello students, welcome to my class. So this is my welcome message to my class. So what is the class? Since I have only one class, it only shows as demo class. Now I want to post it. So I have posted my message in the stream. Stream is an area where you can post messages or any announcements as such for your students. Now the next thing is classwork. In the classwork, you can see create button where you can create assignments, quiz assignment, question, material, or even reuse post, and even divide your subject into topics. We'll be seeing all these things in detail in the next video. Then the next thing is the people. As of now, I am the teacher of this particular classroom, and hence it shows only my name. If I want, I can add or invite teachers to my class. Suppose if two teachers are handling one particular subject, you can create a classroom and you can invite the other staff member to join your class by giving the mail ID. And I'll be inviting myself with another mail ID. So I have just clicked and I'm going to give invite. So the teacher who is taking another part of the subject will also be joining as a co-teacher in your classroom. This co-teacher will be able to do the same things that you can do. She can post, she can delete, she can edit, or even see the grades. So whatever you can do, the co-teacher can also do the same thing in the classroom which you have created. Now since I have not accepted this invite, this is showing in gray. Otherwise, once it is accepted, it will also be in black color just as this one. Now let's move on to the next one. Here you have students. Now I have not given the class code to anyone. So once it is shared, the students will be joining and you will here have the students list. The fourth and the last one that you can see in this classroom is the grades, where if you give any assignments or post any quiz, you can view the grades here. As of now, nothing is here, so the grades is empty. Now let's move on to see what is in this settings. So you can see the class details here. You can see the general settings like invite code, invite link, class code, class view, everything. Whatever you want, you can set here. Now in the stream, you can see three things, that is students can post and comment, students can only comment, only teachers can post and comment. It would always be advisable as a teacher to use this one, that is only teachers can post or comment. Click only teachers can post or comment, otherwise whatever announcements or whatever messages you post in the stream, the students would be keeping on commenting on that and there would be chaos in that. So hence use only this, only teachers can post or comment. You can also select this classwork on the stream, whether to show attachments and details, show condensed notifications or hide notifications. I would like to select show attachments and details so that the students will be able to see whatever I attach as a notice for them. Hence I select show attachments and details. I am not going to enable this show deleted items because only the teachers can view the deleted items. And here grading is there. If you want, you can give grading categories also. If you want, you can select no overall grade, or if you want, you can give total points, or if you want, you can select this weighted by category. Show overall grade to students. And next one is add grade category. If you want, you can just add as for assignments. You can give 20 marks and I can save it. So I have saved. For whatever assignment I post, it will be only 20 marks. So this is it about today's creation of Google Classroom. Now let me go back to the classes. Now my classroom is created, and when I open this, you can see whatever I have posted in this particular classroom. So let us see the remaining things in the next video. Until then, keep exploring, keep creating new classes for your students. Take care.